Large rooms can turn into unbearable heat traps where weak AC units barely make a difference and sleepless nights become routine. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revealing the top 5 best portable air conditioner for large rooms that cool faster, quieter, and smarter before summer gets worse. Check the links below to find the right portable AC for your space. The number 5 product on our list is KoolSiln Portable Air Conditioner. Some summer afternoons make your entire home feel trapped under a blanket of heat, where even fans seem to push warm air around instead of creating relief. The KoolSiln Portable Air Conditioner changes that atmosphere fast. The moment the powerful airflow starts moving through the room, you feel the temperature shift instead of waiting endlessly for weak cooling to catch up. Large living spaces, bedrooms, and apartments suddenly feel breathable again. Then comes the detail many people underestimate until nighttime arrives. Silence. Its low-noise operation and sleep mode create a calmer environment where you can actually rest without loud compressor interruptions rattling the room every few minutes. The auto-evaporation system also removes one of the most annoying portable AC problems by reducing constant water draining during humid weather. Compared with traditional portable air conditioners that struggle to cool larger rooms evenly, KoolSiln feels noticeably faster and more balanced with airflow coverage. The trade-off is the larger footprint common with higher capacity cooling systems. Still, for people preparing for intense heat waves, this unit delivers comfort that feels immediate and reliable. At number 4 is DREO Portable Air Conditioner. There is nothing relaxing about a large room that stays hot no matter how long the AC runs. You lower the temperature. Wait longer. Still uncomfortable. The DREO Portable Air Conditioner attacks that frustration with surprisingly aggressive cooling power that spreads far beyond the corner where the unit sits. The airflow reaches deep into bedrooms, apartments, and open living spaces, creating that instant drop in temperature people crave during brutal summer afternoons. Then the atmosphere changes again at night. Quiet. Really quiet. DREO's noise isolation system keeps the compressor from dominating the room, making sleep and late-night work sessions feel far more peaceful than most portable AC units in this category. The drainage-free system also removes the constant hassle of emptying water tanks during humid weather, which quickly becomes a major convenience during daily use. Compared with bulkier window air conditioners that cool harder but require permanent installation, this model balances portability, smart controls, and efficient cooling beautifully. For renters, home offices, and larger bedrooms, it delivers comfort that feels controlled instead of chaotic. The third one on our list is HUMHOLD Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. Some portable air conditioners promise relief, then leave large rooms feeling uneven, noisy, and strangely humid after hours of running. The HUMHOLD Inverter Portable Air Conditioner hits differently the moment the dual hose system starts moving air through the space. Cooling spreads fast. Corners that usually stay warm finally feel comfortable. And because inverter technology constantly adjusts compressor speed instead of aggressively cycling on and off, the room maintains a steady temperature without the constant energy-draining surges many traditional portable AC units create. Then nighttime arrives. Quiet takes over. Sleep mode drops noise levels low enough to make bedrooms feel calm again instead of filled with compressor vibration and fan roar. The dehumidifier mode also becomes a hidden advantage during sticky summer weather, pulling excess moisture out of the air while keeping the room breathable and fresh. Compared with single-hose portable air conditioners that struggle in larger spaces, HUMHOLD cools more efficiently and consistently. The trade-off is a slightly larger setup footprint, but for apartments, living rooms, and open spaces fighting intense heat, the comfort feels impressively balanced and controlled. On number 2 is Whynter Portable Air Conditioner. Brutal summer heat has a way of exposing weak portable AC units within hours, especially in larger rooms where cool air usually disappears before it reaches the corners. The Whynter portable air conditioner handles that challenge with surprisingly steady performance. Instead of blasting cold air in one direction and leaving warm pockets everywhere else, the dual hose system creates smoother airflow that spreads cooling more evenly across the space. Then the hidden advantage kicks in. Humidity drops fast. The built-in dehumidifier quietly removes that sticky, heavy feeling that makes rooms uncomfortable even when the temperature looks low. During late nights, the quieter operation becomes even more noticeable, making bedrooms and home offices feel calmer than many bulky portable units that constantly roar in the background. Compared with compact single-hose models that prioritize portability over power, Whynter focuses more on deep room coverage and consistent cooling. The trade-off is a slightly larger footprint near the window setup area. Still, for apartments, living rooms, and heat-soaked bedrooms, it creates a cooler atmosphere that feels stable instead of temporary. Now moving to the last one is BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner. Heat builds differently in large rooms. It lingers in corners, sticks to the air, and turns simple evenings into sweaty, restless hours no fan can fix. The BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner cuts through that discomfort with cooling power that feels immediate the moment airflow starts moving across the room. Then comes the feature that quietly changes the entire experience. The Follow Me remote. Instead of guessing temperatures near the AC itself, the system adjusts cooling based on where you actually are, making couches, beds, and workspaces feel consistently comfortable instead of uneven. The smart app controls also add real convenience during brutal summer days when pre-cooling the room before arriving home feels incredibly satisfying. Compared with basic portable air conditioners that only focus on raw airflow, this unit blends cooling, dehumidifying, and smart climate control into something far more flexible for everyday living. The trade-off is that larger portable systems naturally take up noticeable floor space near windows. Still, for apartments, bedrooms, and spacious living areas struggling with intense heat, it creates relief that feels controlled and refreshingly practical. Among all the Whynter, HUMHOLD Inverter Portable Air Conditioner delivers faster dual-hose cooling, quieter sleep mode, energy savings, and balanced comfort. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best portable air conditioner for large rooms. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.